what's up guys? So today's video is going to be my fashion haul. It's from a brand called Fashionnico. I'm really honored guys. I was super happy when they reached out to me offering for a collaboration. I really love their clothes guys. They're really cute. They're really sexy, gorgeous. They're really hot. You know, it's just for the hot chicks out there, seriously. I mean, I was really happy. I'm actually on their website right now. Fashionnico is a unique shopping website with a distinctive tone focusing on women's fashion. We offer high-performance price products including women's clothing, jewelry, beauty and health products, shoes, bags, and more. Our vision is to bring happiness into every woman's life. They're a great company with great work ethics, and they just have this, fashionable clothes at a very affordable price. So I think that is worth the shot. It's worth checking out. Their size also range from small to like extra large, like double extra large. So that is great, They have like more than 100,000 product styles and more than 500 daily update styles. They collect information about women's fashion and source relevant products as soon as possible in order to produce new stuff, according to the new trends. That is great, right? And then their prices is 50 to 80% cheaper than local boutiques. They cooperate with many manufacturers rather than sourcing from middlemen. So no middleman price, no middleman fee. They purchase in scale so the price is lower than the market price. Their product recommendations, they also recommend popular products to you which you might not be aware of. The ability to share your style with friends. So post and share your style to tell your friends how cool you are. Secure payment via PayPal or credit card. And you can also sign up for coupons and theme activities. They also have their own team and designers guys to design their clothes, like really awesome. So Fashionnico offers fast fashion and designer boutique quality. Their team of professional buyers identify all the latest fashion trends at the same time, examine every detail of product quality. They work with emerging designers and brands worldwide and together present collections of creative, trendy, high craftsmanship fashion on fashionnico.com. And what's cool about them is that they also let you guys, new aspiring designers, to submit your work and to work together with them. Share the revenue with the designer fairly and squarely, which is awesome. For aspiring designers out there, you guys can upload designs and complete the package of production drawings, structural drawing, fabric selection and accessories and stuff like that. You need to provide your prototype along with the design work, which helps them to ensure the production process is able to meet all the design specifications. Wow! And they also take the existing photograph and visuals of the product to publish them in their online store. So what if the designers don't have the ability of producing your prototype and visual? Their in-house experts will review the design and once adopted, produce a prototype and visual for the product. Wow! That is awesome because Fashionnico also they also give opportunities. They also give new chances for new aspiring designers out there. So if you guys, any of my audience, if any of you guys are an aspiring designers, you guys can give it a shot, You guys can try to work with them together because they're giving you the opportunity. They're giving you the opportunity to work together and to share the revenues fair and square. So that is amazing to know. That is great. They have great work ethics and great morals. So they sent me 5 pieces of clothing. My favorite is this one. It's a very beautiful dress, gorgeous dress, which is so Chantara because that is my favorite. It's just me, That is why I was automatically drawn to this lacy dress. It's called the solid color lace hollow out white dress. They retail for $27.99. They used to retail for $39.99, but now you can get it for $27.99. And guys, don't forget to use my code. It's Chantara20. Use my code Chantara20 to save 20%. So this one is a gorgeous polyester hollow out. I mean, it looks like lace to me, but it's just super gorgeous, guys. It's a gorgeous lace hollow out white dress. I mean, this is perfect for you if you go out on a date or if you become a bridesmaid, if you go for a wedding or a party, whatever. It looks amazing, guys. If you go for a garden party, tea party, whatever, lunch together with your friends, looks amazing, looks gorgeous. You're gonna look so stunning in it. And the second piece is the casual tie-shirt pantsuit. So they're like 2 pieces of shirt and pants, like white shirt and pants. They're like really gorgeous, guys, because they have the bow below. It has a nice deep pocket and a cute little bow at the end, at the lower part of the pants, like super gorgeous, guys. It's very chic, like gorgeous. And you can also wear it when you opt for a professional look. they retail for $32.99. They used to retail for $64.99. But again guys, you can save 20% by using my code Chantara20. If you want to look professional, or if you're attending a party, if you want to look glamorous, fancy, and professional at the same time, so go for the suit, for the white suit. The other one I got is the Women Turtleneck Dress Sexy Mesh Material Print Slim Skinny Dresses Autumn New Long Sleeve Female Fashion Skinny Outfits. Wow, that's such a long name. In black. So they retail for $16.99. They used to retail for $30.99. But again guys, you can use my code, it's Chantara20 to save 20%. They have the sexy bodycon kind of like skinny dress. It's perfect for you to go clubbing or parties and stuff like that. It really enhances your silhouette, so super gorgeous. The other one I got is a tie-dye dress. It's like a sexy v-neck bodycon dress in blue. So the color is like mixed, like blue and grayish kind of pattern. So they retail for $15.99. They used to retail for $21.99. But again guys, you can use my code Chantara20 to get 20% off. And then lastly, the other one I got is the white tee. So this is like a very cute white t-shirt. It says dripping in melanin. Wow. I think that this shirt is very empowering and very inclusive. And I feel that it's such a great shirt, They created such an amazing piece of work. This is very inclusive and very empowering, especially these days, when our country is kind of like divided. So I feel that this shirt is very empowering. And it's very cozy as well, It's very comfortable to wear. I would wear it with jeans, for casual. So this is really nice. They retail for $22.99. They used to retail for $40.99. So no matter what color you are, we are united. We have the same race. It's human race. So no matter what color you are, we are one race. It's human race. So this shirt is actually calling for inclusivity, unity, and empowerment. So I think that this is great. Amazing. 5-star. And again guys, you can save 20% by using my code Chantara20. I also wanted to emphasize that these dresses were sustainably made. They focus on sustainability as well, and they're trying to avoid doing harmful things for the Mother's Earth. It's great. I feel comfortable working with this kind of brand, working with a brand that focuses on sustainability, which is a great future for all of us, the inhabitants of the earth. Free shipping over $69. So if you shop more than $69, you're gonna get free shipping. And also secure payments. And also there is a free gift when you buy these stuff. So that's amazing. So okay guys, don't forget to check out the link that I put in the description box down below. Okay, it's gonna bring you to the website and you can choose whatever you like. There's always something for everybody. There are really cool stuff on the website. So don't forget to click on the link that I put in the description box down below. Okay, it's gonna take you to the website. There's so many cool stuff on the website. So yeah, there's always something for everybody. And don't forget to use my code Chantara20. Chantara20 to get 20% off on anything. Okay guys, so I guess that's it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about these dresses, about the dresses and the t-shirt. Let me know what you think about these clothes, okay? And let me know which one is your favorite. Okay, my favorite is totally this one because this is just so me, like lacy dress. I'm just so into lacy dress. That is my favorite, So I'm all for lacy dresses. So. And don't forget to click on the link that I put in the description box down below. It's gonna take you to the website and check out all the cool stuff they have on the website, okay? And don't forget to use my code Chantara20 to get 20% off. Okay guys, please give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!